Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see this new website which will be used to earn crypto for free. If you see here, the statements are true to believe. See here, earn free crypto by watching ads. Are you tired of not getting anything for watching ads? You finally can with our website. Guys, I assure you that this website works extraordinary and it is paying and it is working worldwide. I tested this website and I got the result. You will withdraw money from this website. So if you want to earn some good amount of crypto, I recommend this site very strongly. The good part is the payment is instant.
This file was
And
optimized by day.It Media.
Affiliates. And if you are good at doing offers and service, you will get a lot of crypto again. The only prerequisite to work on this website is to have a FastPay account. So let's navigate into the website by signing in. As I already told you, you should have FastPay account. You should get the address, whatever the coin you are going to withdraw. You need to get that address. I have chosen Ethereum and I have keyed in my Ethereum address and say login. It will ask for a captcha and you just solve this captcha. It's simple. Verify captcha. Yeah, this is my dashboard and I have been using this from last 5 days only. So this is a dashboard. You will supply the ads in the earn crypto section. So I'll show you how to work on this. You just have to click on active window ads. You have to solve the captcha again. And you will be automatically directed to the websites. And here, if you see here, the bottom right corner down, the timer and the status of the website will be shown there. For viewing this website, I have got 8 coins. So after seeing the website, after you got the coins, you just say arrow. You just click on the red arrow button. And now again it will go to another ad.
This file was optimized by day.It Media.
Okay. Now I received 8 coins. Here my account got updated. So like this, you have to see all the supplied ads, and for every supplied ad, you will get the coins. So I'm skipping the process here. This is one of the ways to earn points. After watching all the ads in that section, it will be page will display like this, and it says you have watched all the available ads for now. Please come back later for the section, and now you have to click on the ads. And the page will display like this, and here it will say click here to earn. You will be earning 7 coins, and the watch time duration is 10 seconds. So click here to earn.
This file was optimized by denoise media.
When the timer is up, it will say verification. So you have to verify that you are a human, not a robot. And you have to click on a chicken. Where is chicken? This, and verify. And again, you will be getting 6 more coins, and click here to earn.
This file was optimized by denoise media.
Once you have seen the ad, once the timer is up, it will show like this for verification. Verify the captcha. Click on verify. It says congrats, you just earned 6 Satoshi. So like this, this applies some ads, and for all those ads you have to follow this procedure. So after seeing all those ads, the window will display like this. There is no more ads. Then if you want to go to dashboard, click on dashboard. So my balance has become 363 points, 2.0 day.It. So we have seen ad in this tutorial, active window ads and view advertisements. Still you have 2 options, for walls and faucet. So for now I am not going with that. So these 2 things I want to show with you, and you will get, maybe it will take hardly very little time to earn this much coins, and you will get genuine Ethereum. Okay, here if you see, you can request, if you want to withdraw your money, you can request withdraw. So I'll show you this. I will click on request withdraw. It will say, are you sure you will withdraw these much points? Yes, I am sure. Yes, you can request withdraw once per week. So you allowed to withdraw your balance only once per week. I already earned some points before and I withdrawn once. That payment proof I will show you. So that's why there is less time. It is not even 1 week. So that's why it is showing that I said okay. And now I will show you the withdrawal proof. So go on to click on withdraw history. See here on 12th May I have withdrawn my money. 12th May to 16 AM to Fastest Pay Wallet 2.0 ETH. I have received points to 69. Status paid. Okay, so as you see here, this is a legit website and they are paying. Yeah, now I'm going to close this. I'm going to go to my dashboard now. This is my dashboard, and you have to use this website per IP one login only. If you make multiple logins, your account will be banned, and in one login you can claim only one tip. If you have another IP address, you can make another account and you can work on that. There's no problem. But for one computer,
This
for one
file
IP,
was
there is
optimized by
only one
denoise
login.
media.
If you want to attempt to make any login more than one, you will get noticed and your account will be banned. So be careful. So as this is a good website and they are paying well, and up to instant money they are paying. Don't play with this, and you earn some good amount of money with this website. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. We'll give the link in the description. Thank you.